Hi everyone, welcome to IMS Get Set Law. We welcome you to another important video. Today we are going to discuss CLAT 2025 Quantitative Techniques Syllabus. So first very important topic for QT CLAT 2025 is obviously percentages. It consists of more than 40 to 50% of the weightage, sometimes even more than that. Sometimes 60 to 70% of the weightage is only from the topic percentages. So which all subtopics are important under percentages? So under percentages, the important subtopics are percentage to fraction conversion, fraction to percentage conversion, percentage increase or decrease, successive percentage change. So these are the four important subtopics on which questions can be asked. So a student has to prepare these subtopics to get a good score in percentage, and as I said, it is the most important topic for CLAT QT. So do not miss out on this topic, and most of your preparation part has to be dedicated on this topic. Next important topic is ratio. This also has a very good weightage in CLAT QT section. So under ratio, the important subtopics are combining ratios and method of parts. So these questions or these concepts are very important under ratios, so you cannot miss out on preparing these concepts. The next important topic is averages. So under averages, one should be aware of how to use basic formula in different situations and also the weighted average formula. So these are the three most important topics for CLAT 2025. Let's look at more topics. The next important topic is profit and loss. So this also has a good weightage in CLAT QT section. Under profit and loss, we should be preparing for definition of cost price, selling price, mark price, as well as their important percentage calculations for profit and loss, discount, markup, along with their basic formulae. Then the next important topic is simple interest and compound interest. However, in last 5 years, there has not been many questions, or rather hardly one question on simple interest and compound interest, but one should prepare for definition of principal, interest, rate of interest, time period, amounts. These concepts under simple interest and compound interest we should be knowing, and we should also be knowing basic formula of calculating simple and compound interest, along with finding out compound interest when compounding is done for different time periods like quarterly, half yearly, yearly. So one should prepare for these concepts as well. The next important topic is obviously data interpretation. Not only caselets, but sometimes it is quite possible that data can be represented in terms of tables or pie charts or bar graphs or line charts. So these four important subtopics one has to prepare under data interpretation. So we should practice sufficient number of questions based on data interpretation, because the data on different topics like percentage, ratio, average, profit, loss can be represented in terms of tables, pie charts, bar charts or line graphs also, not only in terms of caselets. Caselet is just a passage based data, but data interpretation also covers various charts or tables in which data can be given to you, and then you will have to solve questions based on that data. Next important topic is geometry and mensuration. However, 2020 had one question on one set on geometry, but 2021 to 2024 did not have any question based on this topic. But one should prepare for basic concepts of triangles, quadrilaterals, circle, and 3D figures like cylinders, cones, cuboids, cubes, spheres, hemispheres. And one should also be able to calculate area and perimeter of 2D figures like triangles, quadrilaterals like rectangle, square, rhombus, and circle. Then formulae of lateral surface area, total surface area, and volume of 3D figures like cylinders, spheres, hemispheres, cuboid, cube, and cone. So these are some important concepts under geometry and mensuration. Then the next topic that we have to prepare for is time, speed and distance. Under time, speed and distance, we should not spend too much time, but however we should be aware of the basic concepts of calculating time, speed, distance and basic formula of average speed, relative speed and some basic concepts of boats and streams. And the next topic is time and work. Under time and work, we should be solving basic questions on unitary method and basic questions using LCM method, and basic concepts of pipes and cisterns should also be known to every student when we are preparing for CLAT quant. And lastly, we should be knowing basic formula of algebra like a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, to take an example of. So basic algebraic formulae are must to be known, which can be used in various calculations, and we should also be understanding how to form an equation and how to solve an equation. That is very important part under algebra. So these are the 10 important topics for CLAT Quantitative Techniques section. A student should prepare these topics to ensure that he or she gets very good marks in this Quantitative Techniques section for CLAT 2025. Thank you everyone. Keep watching IMS Get Set Law for more important videos. Thank you.